In this video, I will show you how to use the Asset Connect app to write changes to asset management tags. We can write changes to an asset management tag that has been populated with assembly data. If you need to know how to read a tag, reference the Reading a Tag video. Once you have read your tag, start by clicking on any field to enter it. Notice that when you enter a field, the field changes to an orange color. Edit that field as appropriate and leave it. You must exit the field by clicking on another field or pressing the Tab key. All edited fields will remain an orange color, indicating they don't match the previous read. When all edits to fields are completed, a write operation can be performed. When you're ready to write, pull and hold the trigger on the reader. Be sure to stay within range of the tag. The message pane will indicate the writing block number as the write operation is performed. This can take a couple of seconds depending on the environment and distance between the tag and the reader. Once the write operation is completed, the message pane will indicate done and all of the changes will be updated on the tag. The reader trigger can now be released. The data is then reread and displayed in the window. If the write operation is interrupted, the message pane will inform you to try again. This may be due to alignment and distance from the tag to the reader. Take care in observing the reader position and direction when writing, as it can improve the success rate of the write operation. Alignment and orientation is particularly important with readers that have a linear antenna. And that's it. We just learned how to write changes to a tag using the Asset Connect app. For more information, go to emerson.com/assettag.